Eagles. It's Coach Aaron again with another awesome story for our blue team. We sure do miss you guys, and I hope that this story that I picked out for you guys is going to be one of your favorites. It's one of my favorites, and it's called Splat the Cat. You guys ready? All right, here we go. Here's Splat laying in bed. It was early in the morning, and Splat was wide awake. Today was his first day at cat school, and his tail wiggled wildly with worry. He was nervous about going to school. If I hide from the day, maybe it'll go away, he thought. It didn't go away. Time to get up, said his mom. Time to get dressed, said his mom. I don't have any clean socks, Mom. Maybe I should not go to school tomorrow. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow instead, she said. I'm having a bad hair day, Mom. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow instead, said Splat. His mom combed his hair. Perfect, she said. Don't forget your lunchbox, said his mom. I'll need a friend today, thought Splat. And he dropped his pet mouse, Seymour, into his lunchbox. Look, he's taking his little friend to school with him. Time to go, said Mom. The front door won't let me out, Mom. The gate won't let me out. The lamppost won't let me get out of the way. Mom's just looking. All these excuses he's making. You can ride your bike if you like, Splat, said his mom. So he did, but he didn't say a single word. Welcome to cat school, said a big round cat. I'm Miss Wimpy Dimple, your teacher. His teacher's name is Miss Wimple Dimple. Isn't that funny? Splat Mom gave him a hug. I'll be back soon, she said. You'll be fine. Everyone, this is Splat. Let's welcome him into our class, says Mrs. Whimper Dimple. Hi, said all the cats. They're welcoming him to his new class. Mrs. Wimpy Dimple began. Cats are amazing, she said. We're clever. We are quick, and I am amazing. Am I amazing too, said Splat? Yes, you too. Cats climb trees, drink milk, and chase mice, she continued. Why do we chase mice, asked Splat. Is that what we do? Replied Mrs. Wimple Dimple. Why, asked Splat. Because. Mrs. Wimpy Dimple sighed. Lunchtime. Splat opened his lunchbox. Don't forget there was a mouse in there. The cats did what cats do. Oh no, they're chasing the mouse, his friend he brought from home. Seymour hid behind a glass bottle, and when the cats saw his face through the glass, they screamed and ran away. Seymour did what all mice want to do. Stop, cried Splat. Splat! They didn't stop. Enough, the teacher said, and it ended. It's milk time. All the cats yelled, hooray for milk time. But the door to the milk cupboard was stuck. No milk today, announced the teacher. Splat whispered into Seymour's ear. Seymour nodded, and then, A moment later, the door swang open for the milk. Yummy, they said. The teacher wrote again on the chalkboard. Hooray, cheered the class. Soon it was time to go home. Splat's mom returned and gave him a hug. I've got lots of friends, Splat said. Cats don't chase mice. I'm amazing. It was early the next morning and Splat was wide awake. Today was his second day at cat school. And his tail wiggled wildly, but this time with excitement. The end. See you guys soon. I miss you guys.